Danny, I'll take one. Well, I've always been told since I was little I had great skin, which is always nice. It's a little bit rosy in the cheeks, not dry. I don't really have a problem with that, only maybe a little bit in the winter. Foundation sometimes can be cakey. I'm sure with the Airbrush it's like a lot lighter and easier to wear and not feel like such a hassle to put it on every morning. I'm very interested in trying it. I've never done it before. This is a cool day. Unfortunately, I have a blemish right now, so I'm gonna try to cover that up. So you see how it just kind of like took it away. And it feels very light on my skin, which is always nice. I really like the eyebrows. I've been kind of raving about it to everyone that I talk to. This is a new type of makeup that is very lightweight on my skin. Totally different than what I'm used to. Easy to put on in minutes. And I know using it now that anyone can use it. It's super easy and it's really fun. I definitely recommend to a friend.